And here we go. What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. Friday, April 18th, and check out those new tomato plants. Only $16.99. Today's video, we do have an exciting one. Costco Clearance Fridays on my channel. Easter's just a couple of days away. And also, friends, we're at a brand spanking new warehouse here in Sharon, Massachusetts. Only about 30 to 40 days old. So many great new products, and we are going to find clearance. So take your shoes off, relax. Today's Good Friday. Let's get into the video. And starting the video off in the number one spot from LG, we have their 65-inch 4K TV. We're looking at their UT8000 series. Has a 3-year warranty, AI processor, web OS, and 5 years of updates. Check out that price drop down to $299 even. This will be our 4th or 5th TV this month already that we've seen on clearance here at Costco. A great buy for a 65-inch TV. So if you are in the market for new TV, like I said, this month and next month will be a great time to pick one up. If you're looking for a good TV and you do need a little bit of help, watch my top 20 best TVs you can buy here at Costco. That video will give you some guidance. In the number 2 spot, this time from Epson, once again, we have our Eco Tank. Now, last month, we saw the 2850 drop on clearance. This month, we're looking at their big brother, the 3850 drop on clearance. Now, this is their special edition. It does come with 2 bonus black ink bottles, which is great. That's plenty of ink. It's going to last you such a long time. Now, this printer is awesome. Great reviews, pretty decent build quality, a much better upgrade over the 2850. That's why I like it. It's a lot more money, but still, it's a better printer. What do you expect? This price on clearance currently, it's the same price at Costco online. So don't buy it at this price. Make sure you wait till it drops even more. I want to see $199.97, but currently it's $279.97. So definitely wait on this one. In the number 3 spot from Enforce, we have our 7-inch metal foundation. Now, they do give you a cover to make it look like a box spring. The foundation is 7 inches. They give you legs that will add another 7 inches. Now, you can use them with or without the legs. If you add the legs, that's going to raise the frame up to 14 inches. So keep in mind. They also give you headboard brackets, which are included. The queen size, $139.97 on clearance. The king size, $149.97 on clearance. In the number 4 spot, this time from Ninja, we have their Foodie Possible Cooker, 8.5 quart multi-cooker, and here it is once again here at Costco. We've seen this at Costco online on clearance. We've seen this at the warehouse 2 to 3 times already, and they sell out all the time. But here it is back in stock again. It appeared out of the blue. Wink, wink. Now look at that price, $69.97. It is a fantastic price. I do believe it'll sell out this weekend. In the number 5 spot, this time from Cuisinart, we have their Brew Central, their Coffee Time, 14 cup, 24-hour self-clean, and it does have that Brews Pros feature. This is a great coffee machine, pretty decent reviews, 1 to 4 cup setting, adjustable temperature control, and you can also customize the brew strength as well. Here they do have one on display. I should have opened it up. I do always like to check out the plastic components, but unfortunately I did forget. But here it is. If you do own this yourself, leave a comment below. Let us know how you like it. Also, let us know your thoughts on the price tag as well. To me, the price seems pretty nice at $39.97. In the number 6 spot, this time from Sunvilla, we have their Fairchild, their 5-piece outdoor patio seating set. You get the 2 swivel rocking chairs, you get the sofa, and you get the nesting table. So why is this so expensive? Because it does come with the Sunbrella fabric cushions. That's why we have a great price here for $1,299.97. Now, I do get comments here and there saying, we never have clearance at my warehouse. How do you find so much clearance? You got to look out for those 97 price tags. Now, we are at a brand spanking new warehouse, only about 40 days old, and look at all the clearance I've already found. And moving on, this time from Flame Pro, check out this price drop. Pretty awesome. This is their tabletop heater here. Now, it does come with adapter hose. You can hook it up right to a propane tank. Has a 10,000 maximum BTU output with a 52-inch heat radius. Now, it does have a max burn time for 83 hours when you do use a 20-pound propane tank. $19.97, $20, not bad at all. In the number 8 spot, this time from Flame Pro, again, another price drop. This is their steel patio pellet heater. Now, this does have some pretty awful reviews online. A lot of people complain about the front door, like I mentioned last week. Now, we do have a drastic price drop, but let me know in the comments section. I do have a couple of people who bought these and returned them, so let me know in the comment section, would you buy at this price point? Now, I know the original price was about $200. It's now down to $50, $49.97. This is a huge price drop. Even at this price point, would you pick it up? Leave a comment below. And moving on, check out this gem that we found here just lying around. It's the Vornado whole room heater and fan. Check out that price, $35 even, a manager special. This is a whole room heater, 2 different heat settings, 1500 and 750 watts. Even has a fan only settings, a 12-hour auto off timer, and it does have touch sensitive controls. You can pick it up here for $35, a manager special. What a great buy. And I did switch warehouses. Currently, we are in Waltham, Massachusetts, and right in front of us, we have the Ortho sprayer. It's battery operated, 3 gallons, and the normal price is about $100, but check out that clearance price, only $25, amazing. And then right below us, we have the very popular Ardeen floor lamp. Check out the new clearance price, only $15. That's like 80% off, amazing. Now, don't bother looking for these items, because I definitely added them in my shopping cart. And the number 11 spot, once again from Flame Pro, we have our painted steel gas fire pit. Now this fire pit does look pretty amazing in person, has a 65,000 BTU maximum output, so it does get pretty hot with a 10-foot maximum radius, so that's pretty good. Has a UV finish on it, 6.5 hours of burn time, but that does require a full 20-pound propane tank. You can see there the lava glass on top looks pretty cool, especially when the fire pit is lit and going. Very nice. Now check out this clearance drop at $199.97. In the number 12 spot, one of my favorite products for today's video, we do have the John Deere men's t-shirts. We have the black available. We also have the green, small, medium, large, XL, and 2XL available. Regular fit, crew neck t-shirts, and these t-shirts were awesome. What I like about these t-shirts so much, the logo was embroidered, excuse me. That's what I like about them. The quality was there, and at this price point, awesome price. Now these are also a heavyweight t-shirt, 220 GSM to be exact. That's a good heavyweight, almost like a beefy tee, $6.97. Also to my right, we have the Kirkland swim shorts, $9.97, just in case you were curious. We don't really care about this one too much. Check out those t-shirts. In the number 13 spot, this time from Nordic Wear, we have a few different products from them, but the first one I do want to go over is their bacon sheet set. So what exactly do we get with this set? Let's go over that very quickly. So in this set, we get 2 half sheets. One of the half sheet is a high-sided half sheet. So a total of 2 sheets, and we also get 1 lid that fits both of them. It's a universal lid. It's on clearance for $19.97. So we get 2 sheets, 1 lid, $19.97. And then to my right, also from Nordic Wear, we're looking at their Naturals. Their 2-piece oven crisping pan and rack set. Now this one has pretty good reviews online. Oven, grill, and broiler safe up to 500 degrees. What I don't like about Nordic Wear products here at Costco, they're all made out of aluminum, and I don't really like that. $17.99. All the way to my left, we have their Prep Bake and Serve set. We've seen this in my Costco new arrival video the other day. If you want to see more products like this, watch that video. Now this is a great price. You do get a 3-pack here, $14.99. As always, friends, I do try to make my videos as entertaining as possible. I had to go to multiple warehouses to put this video together, but from Graco, we have their Ready to Jet here. This is their stroller available. This is a very nice one, and we do have a nice drastic price drop. Now, last week, we did see this available for $99.97. Today, we do have a great price drop, and it's very easy to unload and load. Super lightweight, but check it out here, only $79.97. What a great buy. And don't forget, friends, we do have a good amount of clearance on this aisle. If you do want to see more clearance products, make sure you watch last week's video and the week before that, the week before that, the week before that. Right in front of us, we do have the Power Tool Organizer, $24.97 from Permasteel. Right next to it, we have a discontinued product, this one from Wagner. We've seen this the other day. This is a great buy, $4 off the price. Fantastic price for an 18-piece set here from Wagner. Check out this price, only $15.99. You can't beat that. We even have the Campbell air compressor, another price drop with that one. So don't forget about the air compressor as well. Right behind me, we went over this the other day, the Cat Cube. This is the jump starter, has air compressor built into it. Now this one is on clearance for $99.97. But don't buy that. Wait till it drops a lot more, because they have the newer model right next to it available at $99. So you might as well buy the newer model. Now this one, I do like the design of this one. Looks much better than the older version. So you can pick this one up, same price for $99.99. So make sure you wait till the other one drops in price a drastic amount. Don't forget about the ratchet straps as well from Caterpillar. Now this is another great buy here, $19.97. You can get this 4-pack of ratchet straps. What a great deal. This is definitely a great buy. Makes a great gift as well. If you have any loved one who owns a pickup truck, grab them one of those. And don't forget about the floor mats as well. We went over this the other day. This is another great buy here, $19.97, also on clearance. This is another great buy. So don't forget about the reversible foam mats, a great buy. And let's see what else we have down this aisle. And like I mentioned earlier, friends, don't forget to watch my Costco new arrival video. That was pretty fun. We went over the Gorilla cart here. This is a dump cart. Now, me personally, I did feel like this cart was more designed to be a ride-on attachment than an actual cart that you pull around by hand. But check out that price, $239.99. In the number 16 spot, again from Eddie Bauer, we have the men's jeans available. We're looking at the blue and dark blue available. Sizes 30 all the way up to 42. Now, they both look great in my opinion. These are also available at Costco online. They have a nice two-way stretch, a regular fit. Now, these are Costco online. There's not too many sizes available, so hurry up and grab them while they last. Now, these do qualify for the mix and match, where you can potentially save an additional $20 to $50. Here at Costco, they're $19.97. At Costco online, they're $21.97. We also have the Kirkland Signature men's jeans for $12.97 on clearance as well. In the number 17 spot, we do have a discontinued deal right in front of us, this time from X Kites. Now, we have 6 different options when it comes to kites you can pick up here. Now, me personally, I do own the airplane or the fighter jet, and I also own the turtle. Now, these are super fun if you have little ones at home. They will definitely enjoy doing this. Now, they can be a little bit time consuming, putting them together and then breaking them down, putting them apart, but that's okay. That's just part of the process. You can pick them up here. Check out that price. They are giving us a $4 discount, bringing it down to $12.99. In the number 18 spot, once again, we have the Disney Village on clearance. Now, I did want to go over this very quickly once again. Now, last week, even though my price was $29, a lot of people reported their price was $49. Now, pretty much the standard price, pretty much across the nation, a lot of people are seeing that $29.97 because Christmas is just a couple of days away. I do hope after Christmas it does drop price even further. Hopefully, we'll see $9.97. That's definitely a buy for me. In the number 19 spot from Nutrius, we have their body mist. Now, the body mist does come in a 3-pack. Each bottle is 4 ounces. Now, we've seen this mist all over social media. We have the Berry Bliss, we have the Cocoa Bliss, and we also have the Botanical Mist. All 3 of them available in one package for $19.97. But a pro tip, you can grab it at Costco online for only $15.97. Another fantastic clearance price. And moving on to the number 20 spot from Maybelline, we have their Sky High Mascara that does come in a 3-pack. It's formulated with infused bamboo extract. Each bottle is 0.24 ounces, and you do get that 3-pack, like I mentioned. Has the flex brush that does reach every little lash. It's limitless length and volume design here. Check out that price, $14.97. Another very popular product all over social media from NYX, we have the Fat Oil. This is their Lip Click Lip Balm here, and it does come in a 3-pack. 12 hours of hydration, has a nice high shine that everybody loves, that high shine finish. Now, it's made with avocado oil, has cloudberry oil and raspberry oil ingredients. $14.97 for that 3-pack. In the number 22 spot, this time from Scrubbing Bubbles, we have their bathroom disinfectant. This is the citrus flavor. Now, right in front of us, we have a 4-pack, 4 cans in totals. Each can is 24 ounces. The citrus flavor, like I mentioned, now it does kill 99% of viruses and bacteria, but check out that price, only $7.97 for a 4-pack. And moving on to the number 23 spot, we also have some Pine Sol on clearance. This is their multi-surface cleaner, and we do get a 2-count here, 60-ounce containers or 60-ounce bottles. Now, this also kills 99% of germs. Original scent, we're looking at multi-surface, a total of 120 fluid ounces, and check out this clearance price, only $9.97. In the number 24 spot from Apple, we have a bunch of Apple products on clearance. Here at the warehouse, also Costco online. Let's go over them very quickly. We have the MacBook Air 15-inch, has 8 gigs of RAM with a 512 gig solid-state hard drive for $899.97. All the way to my right, we have the 13-inch MacBook Air. This one has 16 gigs of RAM with a 256 gig solid-state hard drive for $849.97. Let's head over to Costco online. And now moving on to the Apple iPads. Right in front of us, we have the 10th generation, silver and blue available, 256 gig for only $349.97. And next one on the list, we have the 11-inch Apple iPad Air. This one has the M2 chip in it with a 512 gigs of RAM for $799.97. And we do have 4 color options available. So we even have the Apple iPad Pro available, the 12.9-inch. Now this is their 6th generation. Check out that price, only $799.97. And I do have one more iPad for you. This one is the Apple iPad 13-inch, 256 gig with the M2 chip in it, also $799.97. And we do have 3 color options for this one as well. And we do have a couple of desktop computers. This one's the Mac Studio with the Apple M2 Max chip in it. Has a 12-core CPU with a 30-core GPU, 32 gigs of RAM with a 512 gig solid-state hard drive. Check out that price, $1,799.97. And I do have one more Apple desktop computer. This one does have the M2 Ultra chip in it with a 24-core CPU and a 60-core GPU. Has 64 gigs of RAM with a 1TB solid-state hard drive, and it does come with a whopping price at $3,499.97. And a couple of more laptops to go over very quickly. We have the 13-inch in 4 different colors. This one does have the M3 chip in it. Has an 8-core CPU with a 10-core GPU, 24 gigs of RAM, 512 gig hard drive. Check out that price, $1,149.97. And our last product for Apple today on clearance, we have the MacBook Air, the 15-inch laptop. This does have the M3 chip in it, has an 8-core CPU with a 10-core GPU, 24 gigs of RAM with a 512 gig solid-state hard drive. You can pick it up here at Costco online for $1,349.97. And just a quick note on those Apple products, friends. We have iPads available at Costco at the warehouse, also on clearance. And the watches are going to go on clearance as well, so stay tuned for that. Right in front of us from GlowTech, we have their LED compact mirror in black or white. Has 10x magnification, 3 light color change settings, has a rechargeable battery, USB-C cable is included. You can pick it up on clearance for only $9.97. And just a quick reminder, friends, do not forget about our giveaway. We're giving away a free NutriBullet Ultra Deluxe single serve blender. The link will be in the comment section. The link will be in the description. Click that link and follow the directions from there. All right, friends, end of the video here. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Turn on that notification. If you have Instagram, go ahead and follow us over at Watch the Deal Finder. And don't forget, friends, hit that thumbs up button, like, comment, and share. Happy Easter to everyone. I'll see you very soon with a new video. Peace.